The best-selling solar watch isn't always the best one for your life. A lot of people just grab the most popular name and hope for the best, but solar watches aren't all built the same. Some charge fast, some last longer, and some barely survive daily wear. Let's fix that. Product number 1, Casio GWM5610U1. First up is the Casio GWM5610U1, a tough, no-nonsense solar watch that's built like a tank. Priced around $154, it sits in that sweet spot between durability and value. If you want a watch that can handle drops, dust, and daily abuse while never needing a battery change, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses Casio's tough solar system, which charges from any light, indoor or outdoor, and holds a charge for up to 10 months in total darkness. That means even if you're stuck in a basement or working night shifts, your watch won't die. It's also shock-resistant, water-resistant to 200 meters, and has an auto light that turns on when you lift your wrist, super handy in low light. Over 2,000 people bought this in the last month, and it's a favorite among hikers and outdoor workers. Now, some people complain that the auto light feature stops working if the battery drops below medium level. Here's the thing though, that's actually a safety feature to protect the battery from deep discharge. It's not a flaw, just a quirk. Just keep it near a window or under a lamp once a week and you'll never notice. This is perfect for you if you want a rugged, reliable watch for outdoor adventures or tough jobs. Skip this one if you prefer a sleek dress watch. This is all function, no frills. For under $160, it's a steal for what it delivers. Product number 2, Casio GW69001. Now, if the GWM5610U1 felt a bit too basic, the Casio GW69001 adds more tech without losing the toughness. At $147, it's slightly cheaper but packs in atomic timekeeping, meaning it syncs with radio signals to stay accurate down to the second, anywhere in the world. Here's why this matters for you. The multiband 6 atomic feature automatically adjusts for time zones and daylight saving, so you're never off by an hour. Combined with solar charging, you get near-perfect timekeeping with zero effort. It also has world time for 29 zones, a 1/100-second stopwatch, and 5 daily alarms, great for pilots, travelers, or busy professionals. The digital display is crisp, and the 41 case fits most wrists without feeling bulky. Some users mention the silicone band can feel stiff at first and trap sweat during long workouts. Here's the thing though, it's replaceable. Swap it for a nylon or metal band later if you want. The core functionality isn't affected. This is perfect for you if you want precision and durability in one package. Skip this one if you hate digital displays or only need simple timekeeping. At this price, it's one of the most feature-rich solar watches out there. Product number 3, Timex Expedition Scout. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want something simpler and more affordable. The Timex Men's Expedition Scout at $73 is a budget-friendly solar watch that doesn't feel cheap. If you want reliable timekeeping with a classic outdoor look, this is a great entry point. Here's why this matters for you. It uses Timex's Indiglo backlight, which lights up the entire dial with one button press, brighter and more even than most LED lights. Perfect for camping or checking time in bed without blinding yourself. It's solar-powered, so no battery changes, and the 24-hour dial is great for military time users. The leather strap ages well and gives it a vintage vibe that works with casual and semi-formal outfits. Now, some people complain the solar panel isn't as efficient as higher-end models. It needs brighter light to charge fully. Here's the thing though, for daily indoor lighting and occasional sun exposure, it still charges enough to keep running. Just don't expect it to thrive in a windowless office long-term. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, stylish solar watch for everyday wear. Skip this one if you need advanced features like alarms or world time. For under $80, it's a solid no-brainer. Product number 4, Citizen Corso Eco-Drive Chronograph. Now, if you're stepping up to premium territory, the Citizen Corso Eco-Drive at $410 is a serious contender. This isn't just a watch, it's a statement. With a sapphire crystal stainless steel build and chronograph function, it blends luxury with solar tech. If you want a dress-meets-sport watch that never needs a battery, this is it. Here's why this matters for you. Citizen's eco-drive tech is among the best. It charges from any light source, even dim indoor light, and holds a charge for up to 6 months. The sapphire crystal resists scratches better than glass, and the 100-meter water resistance means you can swim with it. The chronograph measures up to 60 minutes, perfect for timing workouts or meetings. It also has a 5-year warranty. That's confidence in longevity. Some users said it's bulky on smaller wrists and the price is steep. Here's the thing though, this is built to last decades, not years. If you treat it right, it'll outlive cheaper watches by generations. This is perfect for you if you want a high-end solar watch for work, travel, or formal events. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer lightweight designs. It's an investment, but one that pays off. Product number 5, Citizen Women's Eco Drive Dress Watch. Finally, the Citizen Women's Eco Drive Dress Watch at $193 brings solar power into elegant territory. With a rose-toned stainless steel case, gray leather strap, and minimalist dial, it's perfect for professional or formal settings. If you want a stylish solar watch that's also practical, this one delivers. The mineral crystal is scratch-resistant, and the 3-hand design with date keeps it clean and readable. It's lightweight, comfortable, and pairs well with dresses, blazers, or casual outfits. The 5-year warranty adds peace of mind. Some reviewers mentioned the leather strap wears out faster than the watch itself. Here's the thing though, leather ages and can be replaced easily. The watch movement will likely outlast the strap by years. This is perfect for you if you want a feminine, reliable solar watch for daily wear. Skip this one if you need sporty features or a digital display. For under $200, it's a great blend of style and function. So which one should you get? The Casio G-Shock models are tough and tech-packed, the Timex is budget-friendly, and the Citizen watches offer premium style and reliability. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Casio G-Shock GW69001 because it balances features, durability, and price better than any other. Avoid the Timex if you need strong solar performance in low light. It's good, but not the best. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.